Meaning of gray matter.
Gray matter.
Gray matter.
Gray matter.
Gray matter. Gray matter is a term used to describe the part of the brain that primarily consists of cell bodies and dendrites of neurons. It is responsible for coordinating sensory and motor information, as well as processing emotions and cognitive functions such as memory and decision-making. Gray matter gets its name from the appearance of the tissue under a microscope, which appears gray due to the high number of cell bodies packed closely together. Damage to the gray matter can result in a range of neurological disorders, including Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and multiple sclerosis.